Hey guys, how you doing and welcome. This is Oscar Ramos, and in this video I want to talk to you about Cronos, crypto.com. So many different names for one very special cryptocurrency. You see, I want to tell you a realistic price prediction and technical analysis here on TradingView because there's so many different other projects that in a way tell me more insights for putting some analysis in crypto.com, and I want to show you everything. You see, what you're seeing right now is the price of crypto.com right now under 50 cents. But what's next? Are we really going to be passing $1? So many people say $10 and even some $100. Yes, that's insane. But let's go ahead and take a look at all those scenarios together. Look, if you're watching this video, it may be because you're bullish on CRO. I mean, who doesn't? They have a new arena since installed last year. They also have NFTs. They have more than 40 protocols on the Cronos ecosystem. I mean, they're hiring top tier quality people for their executive positions and so much more. Tell me in the comments if I missed something. So by the end of this video, I want to give you something realistic, down to earth, that we can, in a way, put a point in the map and see where our money is headed. Because same as you, I've been holding this crypto since 2021. Some of you much earlier. All of you are MVPs for that. So sit down, relax, and enjoy the show. Like, subscribe, and turn on those notification bells. It's time to talk about crypto.com. What you're seeing on the screen, everybody, is the price of crypto.com under 50 cents. And this is what I have for us. I have the price of Bitcoin right now, the price of QQQ, which is NASDAQ, the price of BNB, Binance, and the price of FTX. The reason why I have Binance and FTX is for you to see how other different crypto exchanges are still behaving and seeing the down pressure of the price. So it's coming down, Binance is coming down, and QQQ. Why am I showing you this? It's because it follows, and a lot of people are saying, of course, that it's correlated to Bitcoin sentiment price. Not saying that it's going to have the same price, but if it's down, usually QQQ is down too. And I have Bitcoin because it does kind of correlate and follows what Crocoin is doing. So in a way, it's a nice loop that everything does what the other is doing. It's pretty fun to analyze everything holistically. Now, the first thing I want to tell you, everybody, when it comes to Crocoin is, as we're seeing the price, do not get stressed out if you're not getting the best deal. Let me explain. I think that if I keep holding my Crocoin as we continue moving forward in the next couple of years, we're going to start seeing passing up above $1 prices, knowing that this is a max supply of more than billions, right? So not really expecting such huge increases since we already have some pumps and dumps previously. What does that mean? That as soon as we start heading in the direction of $1, there's gonna be a lot of people selling. I don't think it's gonna be an easy path forward, but we can pass $1. So if you're buying less than $1, I think that is amazing. Less than 50 cents, I think that is even incredible. What I should be getting concerned is reducing my dollar cost average and increasing my value of tokens. Plus, go ahead and DeFi stake it on the wallet so you're making more Crocoin as time goes on. That is, I think, one of the best strategies if you really want to green in crypto. And I'm not telling you yet to do DeFi or yield farming or staking on actually the Cronos protocols that are amazing, like Finance or VVS or what have you. But if you really want to take it easy, I think that's one of the best strategies forward for you, knowing that we're going to be passing $1. When exactly? I don't know, but I'm sure that 2022 is going to be a nice outlook for us to see, okay, what happened? Did we get an altcoin season? Because thus far, we need that altcoin season. And right now, there's a Bitcoin-headed season that is just very strong, which is really great. If Bitcoin does well, Crocoin in a way will do decent, and that's what we like it, as I mentioned right now. What you're seeing on the screen, everybody, is the technicals. Right now at the bottom we have the RSI, the stochastic RSI. I'm showing you the 4-hour view. I think that's really good especially for traders purposes. 1 hour is even better. As you get closer, you kind of make more quicker and faster trades, right? But I think the 4-hour really makes everybody happy. So right now the stochastic, the RSI, it's trending down, kind of going to the oversold area. That means that the price is, of course, down, which is perfect if you're trying to get some trades here and there. I'm expecting for later on, because showing you the Bollinger Bands right now, I'm expecting a push. Let me show you right here. As I'm gonna go close, usually the Bollinger Bands, they bottom, then they come up, and then they bottom again, they come up, and usually they top and they go ahead and bottom again. So the last time we topped was the last days of February, so a couple days ago, and then here it is. So this was just hours ago, classic. The last time we bought them was February the 27th, and the last time we bought them previous to that was February the 24th. So it is possible that what's going to happen after this is to continue to the upside to around 45, 47 cents. So that is a great view. I just gave you one key. If you're trying to day trade, let's say you are buying a lot of CRO coins, this will be a good strategy to start buying according to the chart, not what I think is going to happen, according to the chart, knowing that's how it previously behaves. And oftentimes, if you see it declining, not really passing that middle level of the Bollinger Bands, it's just a great way for you to accumulate before the pump and then kind of goes back again. This is exactly what we're seeing thus far, everybody, because I want to remind you there's a lot of things happening right now in the world. There's a lot of things that are going to happen with the Federal Reserve. As we know, this is the month of end of tapering, so they're going to increase interest, but not by a lot. And that is of course one of the reasons why stocks and crypto went up in the weeks before. So that being said, everybody, that is, I think, some good insights for what's going to happen later on. At this time, CRO is positioned at place number 18, holders increasing, the market fear and greed is fear, going to neutral here and there. Now, here's another cool insight. We're not, of course, in an altcoin season. We're not in a max greed territory. Let me go ahead and show you right here. It just hasn't been a max greed territory ever since October, end of October, start of November. I was there. That was when all the metaverse Shiba Inu euphoria and hype happened, but not anymore. So that's amazing, because if you're just starting in crypto, kind of trying crypto.com, guess what? You're not buying a bad price, knowing that later on will be better. So that is some pretty cool stuff, right? Here it is on Etherscan, because this is an ERC20 token. The number of holders is increasing. Take a look at this. Of course, if we compare to VNB, which is something highly done by many, and I like to do it too, 2.68 cents if we had the same market cap as BNB. So knowing that $1 is super easy to do, it's just a good pump and a good altcoin season. And if you're trying to day trade this one, you can be out, because the price, it's gonna come down for sure. It's gonna just be super volatile, and right now position 18. So when it comes to a Fibonacci retracement right here all the way to the bottom, here it is, everybody. Sideways trading in the 61.78% for a while. That's what's happening for us. When it comes to other exchange right here for BNB, I'm going to start doing it from here on May 2021. Here it is, sideways trading on the 61, on this 50 and 78%. That's what it's doing. And FTX, we're going to go since the last time we had a dump, all the way from the bottom to the top, sideways trading in the 61.78. You see? So we're not bad. I mean, crypto.com right now, sideways trading at this time. When it comes to Bitcoin, let's go ahead and do it from here on July 2021, which, if you remember, that was when we had the lowest price of Bitcoin in 2021 at around $29,000. Right now, still sideways trading at 61.78. You see? So right now, the prices haven't gone lower than that, and you can see it across many different projects. It's not only crypto.com. So what does that tell me, guys? That the horizon will be much better, that we're finding some nice consolidation. And if we're doing daily crypto updates, definitely this is going to feel like a long journey that is never going to end. But here's the result. Here's some of the cool predictions for us, everybody. Now, from the top to the bottom, we have about 217% increase at a price of $1.36 for one crypto.com, and going from the price right now 125% going back to 96, 97%. That is what it's going to be looking like for us once we get out of these 78 to 61% Fibonacci levels. I think those are realistic expectations to have in the upcoming months and the end of 2022 if we don't have any altcoin season. Having an altcoin season, the expectations on the prices of altcoins, it's always out of the chart, and it will be amazing to see, guys. Thank you so very much for watching, guys. Go ahead and smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time, everybody. Peace.